recording. I just two of them. I did see another screen recording. One when him Top Coat from Instagram. When me did do pop the balloon, him did see me and ask me to do a content with him. If you no go over him page, you will see the content with me and him. Give him the content, da. Him ask me for my number and a special number. I'm getting get a number like everybody else. Him get the 876-496-6153 number. Give him that. But 2 days ago, Blinger, him coming on my damn inbox and ask me if me I come and party with him. Send him flyers and everything, and ask me if me I come and party with him. Never answer him. The other night, last night, me see him in a damn comment section of Fight Film Live. Just I put laughing emoji. That's why I don't trust no man because I'm a batty man. I wish you would feel it, would live on a truth. Because if a pussy you want, you would never go against the woman then. But because the whole land over your batty boy and a dick you don't really want, you don't really confused. Another one, when name Top Coat or whatever I'm name, babes. Me not really know him name, but I think a Top Coat or whatever I'm want name. There's another one when name a gifter. Him name Fine Woo or whatever the freak him want name. Come over my live Blinger. That's why I like the woman gifter them, you know. Because you see when the woman gifter them, gift me know say them now come back come ask me for no pussy. You see the man gifter them sneaking. Him come over my live, come give me little Leon, hit him little money gun and Fine Woo. Yeah, that's it, island girl. Come in at my inbox. And I ask me for my number. I know I don't look pan him. I see from I don't look pan him, he might carry pussy feelings. And him go over Gage live last night. Me see him in the comment section. The over there a type film life as well. You see to the man gift that them over here I don't sell pussy. You see if you gift me, you come gift me very, very genuinely. Me don't want none over here. No man gift that can say me and them did ever they over here. Me not take my gift at them. None of them. So national news, we no go on about no business. Me no want to at all. No, with Gage. To be honest with you, Blinger, I woke up this morning and while I was on my live, me I scroll and then I see screen recording. Me never really listen to the entire thing, you know, because to tell you the truth, you can ask Primi. I Primi me send it to immediately and Primi said she listen to it and I talk about my pussy wet up, my pussy big, me did I run him down, one bag of something. First of all, it come like we forget. Puppy, you can do that because you did not the same house with him. Y'all forget when me and Gage up on the live and we did a flirt? Did you guys forget that? Literally did up on the live and a flirt with me. Guys, I don't like bleach out, man. And I don't like man who wear extension. Gage did cranny. When him did in a puppy house and him a sit down in the green chair, that the first time I see Gage. When him come on TikTok, I dead for hungry like myself for malnutrition. Never did have a pot for piss and as a puppy, yeah, puppy did put him up. See puppy right there in a puppy house. If you don't remember, every single night he used to sit down in the green chair, the green plastic chair. And then me I wonder, I didn't know say it broke, you know. Come me I wonder, me I say, hold on there. If you have money, people who have money, me don't normally see them in the green plastic chair, you know. Because green plastic chair are like down at town, me normally see them chair there. So I know say something did wrong when I put 2 and 2 together. Nevertheless, him did that always wear marina. You can see him skin cranny, him skin bust up, him skin bleach up. Roger telling her all the freaking time say Onella not like bleach out, man. She not like bleach out, man, at all. Me and him will talk on the phone because we were supposed to do a movie. Him said all time own mouth. Say Onella, the people them love the vibes that me and you have, make me and you go on. Me don't know when him start for date. I don't know when him did start to date him woman. She's a soldier girl. She named Coco. She changed her name to Only Moms are Only something. I don't know what happened. If I flirt, me and him I flirt too much and then she must tell himself to stop playing with me or whatever. But all of a sudden him stop playing with me. I say not, I leave it alone. And then later on, I figure out that him and I did them. I leave that alone as well. He might tell Uno say me did I run him down.
Wait. Onella, who this? Who this song?
Me don't know.
Miss, who you?
Hello, pleasant day. Hi Miss Bling, hi Onella, hi Puppy, hi everybody. Me just want to ask like a serious question like where all of this for? Like, me not know. Like,
Go on. Move your ass clot and go on. Me think you come up here come say something. Go on. Talk.
Yeah, so that and that happened. So we stopped playing with each other. He didn't play with me. I didn't request him. We stopped playing with each other, whatever. Yesterday in a live from the look of it when me ear him said me did I run him down and all me did obsessed with him. Gage, after the freaking World Cup, if we could remember, and I wish TikTok would have memory and stop forgetting certain things. After the World Cup, him did I talk about 70, when did it say 74 or something like that, just step on my name. After that, he did come over my life, come give me, must come give me to apologize or something like that. When we did go Swiss League party, still come pa my name, and that's why all of this has started, because him keep come pa my name. I've never met this man a day in my freaking life. I don't know him. The only time when me and him talked on the phone was literally in regards to a movie. You see the flirting what we did that do pan TikTok blinger? Him said to me, I could keep it going because the people them love it. And the people them love it so much that after did I go write a movie about us doing a movie together called Heaven and Hell. My name was going to be Heaven and he was going to be Hell or something like that. So that's the only time we will correspond. And me and him will be left on the phone talking about it. And that's when he says, store my number. Gage, me no want you. I never want you. Ask Atto. And actually, me no want to call her name now because she don't like the media, you know. You see when media flirt by you, and after me end my life, in a Pittsburgh media, I get food in my hole. Ask them. When me done flirt with you pan national TikTok, in a real life and in a Pittsburgh media, I get dick down. Okay? So, me don't know where you talk about. Me could talk about real life and fictional. This is national TikTok. Everybody do it all the time. People flirt with each other. So I don't know where you talk about. I've never met you a day in my life and you're obsessed with me. Obsessed with me. I talk about your woman, Gage. Come on, Gage. Ain't no way I'm not toot my freaking on. But ain't no way you are your girl. Me and your girl can walk down the street and she get more niggas than me. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Get more niggas than who? Get more niggas where? Where, sir? Where? I talk about say your woman a top class girl. Top class girl where? Where? Because she didn't in the army? I could have been in the army. I chose not to. Bring a husband in the army. Ask her how easy to get for in the army. Not take a special person for going to the army because America want everybody for coming to the army. It don't take a special person for coming to the army, sir. Your woman is a top class girl. It don't take no special person for going to the army. But thank you for your services. Thank you for your services because you're protecting our country. So thank you for your services, ma'am. Your girl could never walk in my shoes. And top girl, first me did hear say she did the over Swiss League yard.
What's your name? She in the chat. She in the